ooh, what if I'm late? Ooh, ooh, the one my heart has gone to may not want to wait, 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 wait.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Yvette's channel. So today I am bringing you another makeup video. Well, I really don't want to start doing my talk throughs because I have an annoying dog that just barks, and like I don't think I want to hear him barking and then me trying to show y'all how I do my makeup or do a talk through really, or just talking period. So I'm trying to wait till the summertime to really to where it warms up here in Missouri, so I can be able to put his ass out on the balcony or something like that, and I can do what I need to do. But right now you're just gonna get the looks. So I created this look. Every time I create a look, I don't know what I'm really doing. I'm just creating looks to just be practicing, really, just to practice this new hobby. So understand, starting off to do makeup and not to come out looking like a clown is grade A for me, because I will not, and I repeat, I will not walk out of my house looking a hot ass mess with this makeup on my face. No, it's not happening. And I don't understand how some women do. Like, I don't, but to each his own. So yeah. But all right, y'all, I want to just quit rambling and let y'all go ahead and get into this video. The next clip, you're gonna see me doing this whole look here. Bam, bam. All right. So and if you guys are new to my channel, do not be afraid to hit that subscribe button. And if you do not want to miss an upload from me, go ahead and hit that notification bell down there for new uploads also. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into the video.
I'm late, ooh, ooh, the one my heart has gone to may not want to wait, 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 wait. May not want to wait. Tico, tick, oh tico, 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 tock. Tico, tick. Oh, tico, 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 tock. Tico, tick. Oh, tico, 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 tock. Tico, tick. Oh, tico, tico, tock. This tico, tico, he's a cuckoo in my car.
Bring it back.
Bombay boo-hoo, the one my heart has gone to may not want to wait. May not want to wait. Tico tick, oh tico 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 tock. Tico tick, oh tico 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 tock. Tico tick, oh tico 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 tock. Tico tick, oh tico tico tock. This tico tico, he's a cuckoo in my car.
Bring it back.
finished look. I hope y'all enjoyed it, because I did, because I didn't have no idea what the hell I was doing. I'm telling y'all, by the time I put this black on, y'all gotta see, when I put this black on, I was so scared to blend it out. I was just like, oh my God, I'm about to be looking like somebody's raccoon or something. Like I told y'all, I do not want to walk out of my house, and I gotta go to work later too, so this makeup is staying on my face. But I will not, and like I said, I repeat, I will not walk out of my house looking like somebody's clown. Like, no. So, I really enjoyed creating this look. Like I said, I didn't know what the hell I was doing, but it came out okay. And like Brianna Marie always say, trust the process. Trust the process. So yes, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will bring you another one maybe this week, maybe next week, I don't know. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you will know when I post this video. All right? Okay. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like and share this video with your family and friends. And also, comment below, let me know what you guys think. And I will see you later.